Hello. On this video, I write a program that reads data from RAM and write it to a 128 by 128 screen. The X and Y pins are connected to the address bus and the color input to the CPU output. I use these pins to assist with writing the machine code. Read_K reads keyboard. Write S writes a pixel to the screen. Cell A or M selects between sending a register or memory value to the ALU. C1 to C6 computes a function. Write A, D and M writes to the two registers and memory. The last three pins causes program execution to jump when the output is less than or equal to or greater than 0. O selects between address or compute instruction. We'll loop from 0 to 16,383. We move this value to the D register. I compute D equals A. I load the constant again. I subtract D from A and store results to A. The result points to RAM 0 and pixel 0. I draw the first pixel to screen. I want to jump here, ROM address 2. Now, I decrement my counter, D by 1 and jump while is greater than or equal to 0. Now, if it is not greater than or equal to 0, we end the program. I write the stop address. I compute 0 and jump to the stop address, which is the address I'm writing this code to.